Hey guys, Oscar from Primate here, and in this series I'm gonna show you the best bodyweight shoulder exercise for building bigger shoulders, focusing on the front delts. Now the front delts already do get a lot of work in when you train your chest and do horizontal pushing or other type of pushing movements such as push-ups and dips, but the best way to grow bigger front delts and shoulders in general is by over the head pressing. So for that reason, part 1 will go through the most basic and foundational bodyweight shoulder mass builder, pike push-ups. When doing pike push-ups, you're going to be bending forward from your hips so that you can get yourself in an angle where you can press above your head. And at the bottom position, you want to create a triangle with your hands and your head so that the head is going to be the top part of the triangle. Another really important thing to keep in mind here is that your elbow should be facing backwards and not flaring out beside you. And at the top of the movement, you want to really focus on elevating your shoulders, meaning that you're going to be pressing your shoulders above your head so that the shoulders are just beside your ears. To adjust the difficulty on pike push-ups, it's actually very simple. To make it easier, you have two options. Number one is that you simply reduce the pike by taking your feet further away from your hands. And option number two, which I actually think is even better, is to perform your pike push-ups with your hands on an elevated surface. But still remember the golden rule of pike push-ups, which is to press above your head. Now if you do them on an elevated surface, remember the angle, so you're pressing above the head, but it might help you to focus on pressing the object that you're leaning on straight forward. So to recap, you're still pressing above your head, so the angle needs to be correct, but a cue you can remember to do the exercise correctly is to press the object you're leaning on straight forward, depending on how elevated the surface is, of course. And to make pike push-ups harder, you can do the exact opposite, which is again two options. Option number one is that you simply increase the pike by taking your feet closer to your hands, and option number two is that you perform pike push-ups with your feet elevated. So you put your feet on an elevated surface and you do your pike push-ups from this angle now. And again, remember, you press above the head as always when you do pike push-ups. The reason why I really want to emphasize on you pressing above the head is because if you press more in front of your body, it's going to be more chest, and we're not trying to target the chest in pike push-ups, we're trying to get the shoulders. And for that reason, we want to always focus on pressing above the head and not in front of the body. You can also do pike push-ups on parallettes, which is especially beneficial if you might have some minor wrist pains when you do them on flat ground. So in that case, try doing it on parallettes and see if that helps. And that is pike push-ups for you guys. As you can see, it's basically a shoulder press but a bodyweight version. It's one of the best bodyweight shoulder mass builders and strength builders as well. So if you're really into bodyweight training, or even if you're not just into bodyweight training, then pike push-up is a great way to build strength and mass into your shoulders, and should be a staple in your training routine at some points in your programming. Make sure you go and check out part 2 of the bodyweight shoulder series focused on the front delts. If you like the video, please give the video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more bodyweight training tips and at-home fitness tips. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.